stop right there. These aren't average Harleys. A fully built bad boy Springer, a $4,000 Fat Boy, rare FXR power, and even a Panhead. Real bikes, real prices, real deals. Let's get straight into it. Number 1. 1996 Harley-Davidson Bad Boy Springer, $14,500. Seller location, Charlotte, North Carolina. We're starting strong with a properly built 1996 Harley-Davidson Bad Boy Springer, and this one is absolutely not a project bike. Located in Charlotte, North Carolina, this bad boy has around 35,000 miles on the chassis, but only about 500 miles on a complete top and bottom overhaul. The seller makes it very clear, this bike was built the right way, with no shortcuts and no cheap parts. It features a performance cam, single-fire ignition, Thunder Slide carb and intake, custom exhaust, new wheels and tires, fresh paint and decals, and a fully blacked-out look that makes it even more aggressive than stock. With OEM touches like the original seat and tool bag, plus tons of powder-coated parts, this bad boy is dialed in and ready to be ridden, not just admired. Number 2. 1998 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy, $4,000. Seller location, Wickenburg, Arizona. Next up is a 1998 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy located in Wickenburg, Arizona, and at just $4,000, this one packs a lot of value. With nearly 39,500 miles, it's already been tastefully modified with a 2-inch lowering kit, big cam, S&S Super E carb and intake, Thunderline short-shot pipes with torque cones for a strong, classic Harley sound. Additional upgrades include a Screamin' Eagle ignition module, Easy Pull clutch, Freight Train headlight, Willie G skull accents, shaved gas caps, a Lepera solo seat, sissy bar, 2 double seats, and even an extra set of pipes. For the price, this Fat Boy offers serious attitude and performance without breaking the bank. Number 3. 1989 Harley-Davidson FXR, $15,000. Seller location, Citrus Heights, California. This 1989 Harley-Davidson FXR in Citrus Heights, California is a fully restored classic with only about 2,000 miles since completion. It's powered by a massive 110 RevTech Evo engine paired with a 5-speed Ultima transmission, making this bike both powerful and reliable. According to the seller, there is 0 leaks and 0 issues, which is exactly what buyers want to hear on a high-performance FXR build. FXRs are already highly sought after, and a clean, fully restored example like this one at $15,000 is aimed squarely at serious riders and collectors. Number 4. 2002 Harley-Davidson Dyna Low Rider, $5,500. Seller location, Las Vegas, Nevada. Here we have a 2002 Harley-Davidson Dyna Low Rider located in Las Vegas, Nevada, and this bike runs great, has relatively low miles for its age, and is fairly clean overall. The seller recently cleaned up the handlebar switches and temporarily relocated the start button to the lower bars. There is a small dent in the tank, which is fully disclosed, but otherwise this is a solid rider. It's currently equipped with RWD shocks, though it can be sold cheaper with air shocks instead. With a clean title in hand at an asking price of $5,500 OBO, this Dyna offers serious attitude and performance without breaking the bank. Number 5. 2006 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1200, $3,500. Seller location, Winnetka, California. Located in Winnetka, California, this 2006 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1200 is a one-owner bike with just 15,000 miles. The seller describes it perfectly. It runs, drives, and stops like a champ. It's riding on nearly new Michelin tires front and rear and comes with the owner's manual and service receipts. This is a clean, honest Sportster that hasn't been abused or over-modified. At $3,500, it's an excellent option for riders looking for a dependable daily Harley or a solid first bike with a clean title and good maintenance history. Number 6. 2003 Harley-Davidson Road King 100th Anniversary Edition, $3,500. Seller location, Santan Valley, Arizona. This 2003 Road King 100th Anniversary Edition is located in Santan Valley, Arizona, and it's priced to reflect its current condition. The bike is being sold as is and will need a new battery, as it does not currently turn on. However, the seller states that before the battery went out, the bike was running fine. Because it doesn't start, it will need to be picked up or towed. For someone willing to do a little work, this could be an opportunity to own a 100th Anniversary Road King at a very affordable $3,500. Number 7. 2005 Harley-Davidson Heritage Softail, $6,000. Seller location, Orem, Utah. This 2005 Harley-Davidson FLSTCI Heritage Classic is located in Orem, Utah, and powered by the legendary twin-cam 88B engine. Known for smooth cruising and strong torque, this Heritage delivers that timeless Harley-Davidson touring presence that never goes out of style. The bike is well cared for, runs strong, and is described as a pleasure to ride. The only noted issue is a non-working fuel gauge, which is a common Harley quirk and an easy fix if desired. At $6,000, this is a solid, classic Softail that's ready for long rides. Number 8. 2005 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy, $6,800. Seller location, Miami Gardens, Florida. Located in Miami Gardens, Florida, this 2005 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy comes loaded with upgrades. It features a power commander, full exhaust system, custom paint, plenty of chrome, and brand new tires front and rear. The seller also notes recent maintenance including engine and transmission service, fresh fluids, and new front and rear bearings. With 2 owners and a strong list of upgrades, this Fat Boy is ready to ride and priced fairly at $6,800. Number 9. 2006 Harley-Davidson Street Bob, $6,200. Seller location, Punta Gorda, Florida. This 2006 Harley-Davidson Street Bob in Punta Gorda, Florida is described simply as super nice, and sometimes that says it all. The oil change and transmission fluid were both done less than 50 miles ago, meaning it's fresh and ready to ride. With 2 owners and a clean look, this Street Bob is a great middle ground Harley, lighter than touring models but still full of attitude. At $6,200, it's a clean, no-drama Dyna that's ready for the road. Number 10. 1957 Harley-Davidson Panhead. Seller location, Avon, Minnesota. We're wrapping up with a true piece of Harley-Davidson history, a 1957 Panhead located in Avon, Minnesota. The seller notes that due to health reasons, they may be selling this bike, and it comes with many extra parts, including seats and original gas tanks. Details are limited, but Panheads from this era are highly desirable, especially when they come with original components. For collectors or serious vintage Harley enthusiasts, this could be a rare opportunity to own an authentic piece of American motorcycle history. So, which one would you ride home today? If you love real Harley deals, rare builds, and honest listings, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. New bikes, new listings every week. Thanks for watching, ride safe, and I'll see you in the next one.